All right, let's do a special case. Let's take two matrices that are both diagonal and multiply them and see what we get. So if we have a matrix that's 1, 2, 4 along the diagonal and 0 in the other places. Another one here. So that's what we call a diagonal matrix. Let's multiply it by another diagonal matrix. Let's say 3, 5, 6, and 0's in the other places. Now, in this special case, we can just take the diagonal elements and multiply them together. So we'll take 1 times 3, and that'll be the first element on the diagonal. That's 3. Then 2 times 5 is 10. So that will be 10 on the in the middle. And then 4 times 6 is 24. So 24 here. Again, this will be a diagonal matrix, so the other entries are all 0. Now this applies only for the case where both matrices are diagonal. It's a special case. Don't make the mistake of doing this for other arbitrary matrices. Remember everyone, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.